path is dim before me, and the night is closing in. When my heart is bruised and broken, weighed beneath the weight of sin, still, oh Lord, I hear you whisper, child, my grace will guide you through. Though I cannot see tomorrow, I will place my trust in you. When the prayers I've prayed lie silent, and the heavens seem so far, when the doors are shut before me, and I wonder where you are, let me cling to all you've promised. Let me rest in what is true. You are good, though I may tremble, still I put my hope in you. I'll trust you still when I am dismayed, when answers seem so far away. Though I don't know what you will do, I know, dear Lord, that you are true. So hold me fast and lead me on until the breaking of a new dawn. I'll trust you still, come joy or pain, for in the dark your light remains. Faith is more than understanding, more than knowing details of the plan. It's the anchor in the tempest, it's the touch of nail-scarred hands. So I walk through storm or shadow, for I know what you can do. Not by sight